Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to build walls in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right tools and materials in your main inventory. A hammer, wooden planks, and nails. You'll also want a decent carpentry skill. At least carpentry level 2 to build wooden walls. Next, open the build menu. On PC, this is done by right-clicking on the ground and choosing carpentry, wall, then wooden wall frame in older builds, or by clicking the build icon on the left UI and selecting walls in newer builds. Once you've selected the wooden wall frame, place it on the ground where you want your wall. You can rotate it with R before placing to face the correct direction. The frame is the skeleton that the wall attaches to. Now that the frame is placed, upgrade it to a full wall. Right-click the frame and you'll see options like upgrade to wooden wall level 1 and higher levels as your carpentry skill increases. Each upgrade uses more planks and nails and produces a stronger wall. Repeat building frames and upgrading them around your perimeter. Leave gaps for door frames or windows if needed. Walls will snap together at corners to form a continuous barrier. Carpentry skill increases both the health of the wall and what levels you can upgrade to. Higher levels make your walls much tougher against zombie attacks. And that's how you build walls in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.